pay attention. I am trying to teach you about how to reflect on an OPCVL.
But I don't wanna.
Yeah, this is so boring.
Snip, snip.
See.
Students! Pay attention! Alright, the principal is here to observe our classroom. Now please behave.
Soda on, please.
Gag me with a spoon.
Hello, students. Just pretend I'm not here.
Alright, as I was saying, we're going to be learning about something useful.
That would be a nice change.
Okay, students, don't forget to do your homework. For once.
Hey guys, what's up? Oh look, I can point my finger! Why would you say that? You know I can't point my finger.
Yeah, dude. I'm gonna sleep now.
I think I have to teach you guys about OPCVLs. I just love OPCVLs so much! Hey, your brother's asleep again. I don't know how to teach history, so I brought my friend Abraham Lincoln. Whoa, he's really hot.
I'm actually just a German kid. This lady kidnapped me. Can someone get me out of here?
Anyways, wait, hold on my hair. So anyways, here's an OPCVL. I have to teach you this so that you use good sources like Wikipedia.
Hey kid, can you get me out of here?
Piece of yo.
Yeah!
Is anyone gonna wake up your brother?
Why did you leave me?
I love my class so much!
Students, pay attention. I am trying to teach you about how to reflect on an OPCVL.
But I don't wanna!
Yeah, this is so boring.
Snip, snip. Students! Pay attention! Alright, the principal is here to observe our classroom. Now please behave.
Soda on, please.
Gag me with a spoon.
Hello, students. Just pretend I'm not here.
Alright, as I was saying, we're going to be learning about something useful.
That would be a nice change.
Okay, students, don't forget to do your homework. For once.